It's the holiday season, and with the holiday season, my wife and I like to make a lot of little things that have lots of flavor. This year, we actually made what we call a cherry bounce. It came out so good. I'm sharing it with some friends, but I also want to make an old fashioned out of it. So let's go and make an old fashioned with some cherry bounce. Ho ho ho! Welcome back to Old Fashioned Ways. I'm Doc Martinez, and I'm going to be making a old fashioned with some cherry bounce. And I'm going to be using this bottle. This bottle is a selection from my buddy's Poor Decisions. It's a group of my friends who chose this barrel and have it here, and they're calling this a cherry sex bomb. What better to use in a cherry old fashioned that something already has cherry in it than to add more cherry flavor? Let's go. All right. So to make this, we're going to use some cherry bitters. 2 good dashes of that, and there should be more than enough. And we're also going to use some of this cherry bounce that my wife and I made this year. I'll have a recipe on how we made it in the directions below. I'm going to pour a good amount of this in there, not measuring out, but because I just want to have a lot of this flavor come through. Oh, this stuff is so good. There's so much flavor in that. I love that. And of course, I'm saving some cherries. I'm gonna pop this open and we're gonna pour some of this out. Now, at the time of filming this, these bottles are still available. So what I will do, make sure to add a link to it in the description below as well. So if you'd like to order a bottle of this to make this drink, you can do that as well. Normally I like to add my ice in here before I do all that, but this time I decided to be a little different. And of course, this time I don't have my ice pick. So it's my drink, we'll do it with my hand and we'll slowly drop it in there. Let's stir this puppy up a little bit. And there you have it, the Cherry Sex Bomb Bounce, old fashioned. Let's go in for a drink. Bam, that is so good. Damn. Oh yeah, oh yeah. That is a drink to drink. All right, let me stop drinking it. All that, I forgot to even put this in there to decorate it. That's what it should look like. All right, there you have it. A simple recipe that's perfect for the holiday seasons and just to enjoy and sit back and just enjoy some of this cherry and syrup and just all this goodness in once. I like it. I like it a lot. So my friends, happy holidays to you. I hope you have a great time with friends and family. Take care out there. And if I don't see you, to a happy new year as well. Cheers, my friends.